CENOS specialized induction heating simulation software allows to perform analysis for induction hardening of shafts, gears, and many other automotive parts. The simulation job begins with loading a CAD file for the geometry of the induction hardening system. The software automatically creates the air enclosure for the correct simulation of the electromagnetic field. The user just needs to identify the gear, induction coil, and any additional objects, if any of interest. In the next step, the user assigns materials and defines relevant operational parameters: frequency, process time, rotational velocity, and applied power. When the calculation is complete, the user directly gets the results in the way suitable for immediate and meaningful analysis. The user can see the thermal distribution on the gear and inductor if enabled. Magnetic field distribution around the induction hardening system can be examined with a user-friendly way of visualizing the magnetic field lines. The overall system can be analyzed from many different aspects. Users can evaluate separately the temperature profile within the gear using different slices and temperature probes. Hardening aspects such as resulting hardness and metallurgical phases can be seen separately, as well as the electromagnetic side of the system, such as current density within the inductor. Engineers can see a multitude of characteristic system parameters, such as active power, inductance, impedance, resistance, and reactance of the whole system. They can also see current and voltage levels, as well as convective and radiative power losses. And that's not all. To make the engineering job efficient, the engineer can make necessary changes in geometry and reload CAD file to continue the simulation project. CENOS software has a special algorithm to recognize objects in the modified CAD file and preserve all simulation settings. Thus, once the CAD file is reloaded, the user can simply click the Run button to simulate repeatedly and see how the changes influence the results. Even more, thanks to CENOS Simulation Manager add-on, the user can create the queue of the simulation jobs to be run automatically over nights and over weekend, which make the tool excellent for parametric studies.